Welcome children to the lesson Birds, Beaks and Claws. Now let's move on to the exercise on page 172. The first one, tick the correct answers. 1. Beaks of eagles are hooked. 2. A bird that has a beak with tiny holes at the sides could be a duck. 3. The claws of eagles are sharp. 4. Flamingos have wide spreading toes. Now coming to the next one, name 2 birds of each type. In flesh eating you have eagle and hawk. You can also write vulture. Perching you have crow and sparrow. And you can also write one more bird. Wading you have herons, flamingos and cranes. Grain eating you have sparrows and pigeons. Now coming to C, answer the following questions. What type of beaks do sparrows have? They have short, hard, horny beaks. Now, why do parrots have strong and curved beaks? Now, parrots have strong curved beaks for cracking nuts and seeds. Which bird has a chisel-shaped beak? Why? The woodpecker has a chisel-shaped beak. And it has that type of a beak because it has to tap the bark of a tree to eat the worms or insects found inside. Now, which bird feeds on nectar? What type of beak does it have? The hummingbird feeds on nectar and it has a very slender, long beak. Why do wading birds have wide spreading toes? Now, the wading birds have wide spreading toes so that it helps them not to sink in the soft mud. It helps them or prevents them from sinking in the soft mud. 6.1. Describe the feet of swimming birds. Now swimming birds like ducks, they have 3 toes in front and 1 at the back with a thin spread of skin over them. Such type of toes are known as webbed feet, and webbed feet are used as paddles for them when they are swimming. So this type of webbed feet found in swimming birds are very useful to them while swimming. Now coming to life skills. Birds use their beaks to handle their food. In the same way, we use our hands to eat food. But we also use different tablewares to eat our food. Like you use the knife to cut the food, you use a spoon and you use a fork. Complete the following sentences by choosing the right word given in the brackets. We use a spoon to pick up small portions of food. 2. When eating soup, you should always hold the spoon horizontally. Next page. 3. We use a knife to cut up small portions of food. 4. If you are right-handed, you should always hold the knife in your left hand and the fork in your right hand. 5. We use a fork to pick up small portions of food. Values for life. Every morning, Anuj keeps some grains on his windowsill. Why does Anuj do so? Is Anuj a caring person? Now, why do you think Anuj keeps some grains on his windowsill? Yes, it is for the birds that are flying around to come and eat those grains. So he feels happy in feeding those little birds that come to his windowsill looking for some grains of food. Is Anuj a caring person? Yes, of course, he is a caring person because that quality that is in him makes him help the birds who are hungry, or that quality of being a caring person that is in him helps Anuj to care for the birds by placing grains for them on his window sill. With this, I come to the end of the tasks, but we have some more to be done, which will be done in the next class. Thank you. Your homework will be to do number A, B and C in the notebook and send to the school WhatsApp number.